Good morning, student. So, parallel lines are lines which never meet, never meet each other when produce, when produce infinitely on both direction. So, look at this is L and this is M. Two lines never meet each other. Distance between them, suppose this distance AB, suppose, and the distance CD, suppose, and this is MN, all are same. So AB equal to CD equal to MN. Then this perpendicular distance wherever equal, you can say that L parallel to M. This is the sign of parallel lines. So second question come, if the line not meet each other, they are parallel. Suppose this line and this line L and M, they do not intersect each other. They do not intersect. They do not intersect. They do not intersect. But they are not parallel. But they are not parallel. Why? Because the distance is not same. Look at AB, if this is AB and this is MN, then here AB is not equal to MN. So L is not parallel to M. So this is very important concept, that whenever intersect, they are not parallel, but here also they are not intersect. If they are intersect, look at, suppose this one and this one. So they are called intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. And they intersect at a point of intersection. Point of intersection. So this is very important. Whenever they intersect, that means if you get a common point between them, then you can say that these are not parallel. So question exercise 12A, exercise 12. So I will do question for you, every answer. In the figure given below, name the pair of parallel lines. So this is very easy. You can find out the parallel lines. Look at it. This figure is given in this way. And if the lines are given in this way, this is one, next one, this is the table. And you see that this table parallel lines, if you find out A, D, C, B is given. Then parallel lines, if you find out, then AD parallel to BC. and AB parallel to DC. So these are parallel lines you can find out. So very easy this one. Next, number two. Number two math given. Name the group of all possible parallel edges of the box which figure is shown in below. Whose figure is shown in below. So there is a cuboid. This is called cuboid. Now which line are parallel? You see that easily find out this one A, B, C, D. So you can easily say that AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC. In this way, if you this PQ if you get, then DC parallel to PQ and DP parallel to CQ. So in every plane, look at this is a plane. Every plane there is two parallel lines. This one and this one. Here also this is a plane, and in this plane you see that there are two parallel lines. This one and this one. So in this way you can get the parallel lines. So very easy thing. Find out the planes and then find out the parallel lines, because all plane is like a rectangle. All the planes is like a rectangle. So rectangle, you know that opposite side is always parallel. So AB parallel to CD and AC parallel to BD. Rectangular plane. This is a rectangular plane. You can easily find out this one. So this is the question. Next is your math number 3. You can find out how many planes are there. Can you find out how many planes are there? So find it and then find out the parallel lines. Very easy math. Next, number 3. Identify parallel line segment in each of the following. Name is given. I will draw the figure for this one D, this one A, this one B, C. Now here D parallel to BC. So these are given. Next, this is very easy. You can do with your own. A, suppose this one D is given. D, A, B and C. So AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC. So these two are given. So in this way you can find out all parallel lines. So write in this way. Important thing how we represent this one. So I will give you the idea. Next one. This is a hexagon. So in this figure, find out the parallel lines. R, S, L. This is M, P and Q. So find out the parallel lines. You can easily see that this line parallel to this line. So S are parallel to MP. Next one, this line parallel to this line. So QP parallel to SL. At this line parallel to this line. So RQ parallel to LM. So in this way you can give the idea. Very easy math. You can do it. Next one. Now join them, write the name B. This is A. This is C. This is E, F and D. Now you want to find out the parallel lines. So this line parallel to this line. So AB parallel to C, this one. AB parallel to DC. Second one, DC parallel to EF. This one also parallel to this one. So BD parallel to AC. This one parallel to this one. So DF parallel to C. In this way you can find out the parallel lines. And also this line parallel to this line. So BA parallel to EF. Because look at this line and this line. If this is BA and this is EF, then they are parallel. So in this figure, I have drawn it. Now this is the process. So find it out, do practice so that you can get the marks. Next one, number 4. Find out the distance between the parallel lines A and M by set square. So set square, how can you do it? So I will give you the hints. You can do it at your home. First one, this is called the set square. So you put the set square in this way. Put it and give the marking is given here 1, this one 2, this one 3, this one 4, this one 5. So in this way the markings are given, so you can easily find out the distance. So here this is, if this distance you find out, suppose this is name is given A, B, and this is L and M. So what is the perpendicular distance? 5 centimeter. So in this way you can measure it. So do it in such a way with the help of set square. Set square. Help set square helps to measure distance between two parallel lines. So set square is the instrument. So set square, you see it. This is the set square, a triangular instrument, and this is line given in this 1, 2, marking is given in this way. So this is called the set square. So you can easily find out the help of set square the distance between the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines. So next one, number 5 math. In a figure, L parallel to M, AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to L and CD parallel to M, a perpendicular to M. AB is 2.3, find CD. So I will draw the figure first. This is M and this is L. Now this distance is given in this way. So perpendicular distance you know how to draw. This is the perpendicular distance. So D and C you can draw it. Perpendicular lines draw, and these lines are given name AB. This is name given AB. So AB 2.3, CD how much? So you know that the distance between two parallel lines is same everywhere. So here AB is given 2.3 centimeter. So CD come also 2.3 centimeter. So this is the process. Very easy. These are perpendicular distance, perpendicular draw you know easily. Suppose you draw first a line, then put a point here, then draw this one. Now from here you cut this one, and from here the same arc is to be taken. Now cut this one. Now with the help of these two intersecting points, you draw two arcs, and then you can easily find out the parallel. This is called perpendicular lines. Perpendiculars. This angle is 90 degree. This angle also 90 degree. So they are called perpendiculars. So with the help of compass, you can easily draw the perpendiculars. 90 degree angle. Perpendicular means you have to draw 90 degree angles with the help of compass. Next one, math 6. In a figure, do the segment ABCD intersect? Are they parallel? So this is the question come. Now you have to draw These were not given because these are line segment is given. So line segment draw. AB and CD are two line segment. So are they first question, do the line segment AB and CD intersect? Not. They not intersect each other. Not intersect, but they are also not parallel. But they are also not parallel. Why? Because the distance, look at distance between them, distance is increasing. Now this is PQ, this is RS, this is TU. So PQ is not equal to RS, is not equal to TU. So they are not parallel. That is why they are not parallel. I intersect means common point. So there is no common point you can find out between the two lines. Common point means, look at intersecting line. I give you the idea already. These lines are intersecting lines. That means this is the common point. So this point come on M, this point come on N. So this is common. This is called common point. And this is also called intersecting points. Common point. So you can easily do it. Next, I will give you the idea now. Now next, number 7. 6 already done. Now I will do math number 7. So math number 7, look at. Using the set square ruler, test whether the element are in case. So with the help of set square, you know it very easy. This one M and this one L. So find out put your set square in this way. And then the marking is given in this way, 1, 2, 3, this one 4. In this way you find out the distance. So again put your set square here and you can find out the distance here. Also if this is AB, I suppose this one is P. So BP you can find out. Also from this one you can find out. Suppose this one RS. So you can find out this one. So this is the process. If they are parallel, then you see that the distance between them in all the places, the line shows they are equal. Next one, math number 8. Which of the following are true or false? Two lines are parallel if they do not meet even when produced. Two lines are parallel if they do not meet. Suppose these two lines. Two lines are parallel if they do not meet. So here look at these two lines not meet each other. So they are parallel. No. So parallel line definition is that the distance between these two parallel lines must be same. Here the distance is not same. Look at distance is increasing, not equal. So they are never be parallel. So in this way you can say. Next question, two parallel lines are everywhere the same distance apart. Yes, this is true because look at this is L and this is M. So distance find out. So distance find out. All are same. AB, CD, PQ. If L parallel to M, then AB must be equal to CD, must be equal to PQ. So this is very important. Next one, math number 3. If two line segments do not intersect, they are parallel. So look at this line segment and this line segment. They do not intersect. They are parallel? Not. Not. Because the distance between perpendicular distance between them is same. Between them is same. Then they are parallel. Then they are parallel lines. So in this way you can say, so name given RS, this is TU, you can give any name. If two rays do not intersect, they are parallel. Also this is wrong because if I draw two rays in this way, suppose this is A and B, and then I draw a ray this one, C and D. So look at they not intersect because they have no common point. Even they are parallel. No, they are not parallel. They are not parallel. Why? Because distance between them, distance between them is not same everywhere. So look at distance. Distance is increasing. So this is not possible. So thank you, student. These are the maths for the parallel line chapters. So next day I will meet with you with new maths. Thank you.